Hope all are enjoying Adhyatma Sudha, the spiritual nectar. Priya Bandhu, be generous. Subscribe, like and share to enlighten. Dhanyavad.
श्रीशैलेशदयापात्रं दीभक्त्यादिगुणार्णवं यतीन्द्रप्रवणं वन्दे रम्यजामातरं मुनिं लक्ष्मीनाथसमारम्भां नाथयामुनमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्परां यो नित्य अच्युतपदाम्बुजयुग्मरुग्म व्यामोहदस्तरितराणि तृणाय मेने अस्मद्गुरोर्भगवतोऽस्य दयैकसिन्धोः रामानुजस्य चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये नीडातुङ्गस्तनगिरितटे सुप्तमुद्बोध्य कृष्णं पारात्यां स्वां शतश्रुतिसरसिद्धमध्यापयन्ति स्वोच्छिष्टायां सृजनिगणितं याबलाकृत्य पुङ्क्ते गोदा तस्यै नमयिदं भूयेवास्तु भूयः अन्नवयல் புதுவை ஆண்டாள் அரங்கற்கு பன்னத்திருப்பாவை பல்பதியம் இன்னிசையால் பாடிக் கொடுத்தாளே நற்பாமாலை பூமாலை சூடி கொடுத்தாளே சொல்லு சூடி கொடுத்த சுடற்குடியே தொல்பாவை பாடி அருளவல்ல பல்வலையாய் நாடினி வெங்கடவர்க்கிண்ணே விதியன்னை மாற்றம் நாம் கடவா வண்ணமே நல்கு. Jai Shriman Narayana. Welcome to today's Pashuram of Tirupavai. Today we are supposed to look at the 27th Pashuram of Tirupavai, wherein Andal Tayar expresses her list in the 26th Pashuram, what and all things that are required for them in order to observe this auspicious fast. She has cited a whole list of it, and today also she is expressing her happiness of attaining Bhagavad Sanidhyam. So let us try to get a quick recap of the 26th Pashuram and get forward to the 27th. 26th Pashuram, Tayar says, மாலே மணிவண்ணா மார்கழி நீராடுவான் மேலையார் செய்வனங்கள் வேண்டுமன கேட்டியே ஞானத்தை எல்லாம் நடுங்க முரல்வன ஹாலன வண்ணத்து உன் பாஞ்சஜன்யமே போல்வன சங்கங்கள் பொய்பாடுடையனவே சால பெரும்பறையே பல்லாண்டிசைப்பாரே கோலவிளக்கே கொடியே விதானமே ஆலிநிலையாய் அருளியலோர் என்பாவாய். So Tayar is asking for the Panchajanya Shanka, that very Panchajanya Shanka during the time of the Mahabharata Yuddha, when both the Kauravas and the Pandavas and Bhagavan Shri Krishna also sounded the Samara Shanka in the Yuddha Bhumi. It is told all of the three worlds, all of the worlds vibrated in the roar of the Shankanada, and Duryodhana's heart was shattered. Bhishma Pitamaha knew the victory is going to be under the side of the Pandavas. So likewise, such is the great Panchajanya Shanka. Tayar is asking not one Panchajanya Shanka, Purvana Sangangal, so many. We need give at least 2 or 3. Tayar is asking Krishna. Now if you look at Tirupalland, Andal Tayar's father had sung Mangala Shasanam to that Panchajanya Shanka. He had praised the Lord when he came on the Garuda Vahana in order to bless him. But Tayar, she's singing Mangala Shasanam and she's asking Krishna, what are you going to do with all those your Panchajanya Shankam and your Kodi, your Vidanam, is it not? So she says, as Bhagavan, you don't need all these things, but you are having this only for the sake of devotees. Thereby, please give it to us. She is demanding, and she wants all of the things what Bhagavan is having. She is asking, she wants the Dvaja, she wants the Vidanam, the umbrella, what is used for the Lord, she wants the Panchajanya Shanka, she wants people to sing Tirupallandu, all of these she wants. So that these are the things necessary for her to perform the Beri Vadya also. So likewise, in our Shastra it is told, whoever desires to attain a higher planetary existence, there are certain prescribed yajnas and homas. Okay, but here, who wants to attain Andal Taya and her Goshti, Andal Goshti, all the Sakhis, they want to attain. Whom they want to attain? None other than Bhagavan. So, whatever Bhagavan is having, they also want it in the same aspect, right? And Bhagavan is more than happy to give all of these to Andal Tayar and all of the devotees who have come there asking for him. That is why it is told in the previous Parshuram, Unne Aratyati Vanto. Andal Tayar says, we have come asking for you, from you only. So Bhagavan is very happy. Anybody comes and asks him, Bhagavan, I want you, he is ready to come. Is it not? So let us proceed towards the 27th Parshuram today. கோடாரை வெல்லும் சீர் கோவிந்தா உன் தன்னை பாடி பறை கொண்டு யாம் பெரும் சன்மானம் நாடு புகழும் பரிசினால் நன்றாக சூடகமே தோள்வளையே தோடே செவிப்பூவே பாடகமே என்றனைய பல்கலனும் யாமணிவோம் ஆடை உடுப்போம் அதன் பின்னே பால் சோறு மூடனை பெய்து முழங்கை வழிவார கூடி இருந்து குளிர்ந்தேலூர் என்பாவாய். Such a beautiful concept of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam Andal Tayar has told in this Pashuram. So until the 25th Pashuram, then Varuttamam Tirndu Mahindelur Embavai. Till there she kept saying about, mitigating the material miseries and seeking the blessings of the Supreme Lord. If you notice in the 26th, the 27th Pashuram onwards, already this Jivatma has ripened in bhakti, after which there is only bliss. There is no question of suffering at all. So likewise, our Shastras have given a description of how the Jivatma is entangled between the dualities of happiness and sadness up to the material world only. But once when the body is given up, the Jivatma goes towards the eternal home, the Shri Vaikunta. It does not remember who are the bodily associates, what are the miseries it had to face in this Bhumandala. Well, this is not remembered at all, and the Jivatma is completely in a state of eternal bliss. Eternal bliss, almost as the Supreme Lord when the Jiva attains the moksha. Now why? Why almost? Why not the same? Yes, why not the same? There are few differences due to which the Jivatma, even after attaining Vaikuntham, still continues to be like a dasa or the bhakta of Bhagavan there because of few reasons, few of which are Bhagavan is the Swami of Shri Mahalakshmi. So even when the Jivatma attains moksha and almost all auspicious qualities of Bhagavan, this Jivatma also is going to get apart from these things. Secondly, this Jivatma is never going to have the Shri Vatsa Chinha, the auspicious symbol on Bhagavan's chest. And the creative power, Bhagavan's creative energy, this always remains with Bhagavan. So because of these things, the Jivatma almost gets all the qualities except for few divine qualities which continues to remain with Bhagavan, and that is what distinguishes him as the Sarveshwara compared to the rest of the Jivatmas. So Tayar is speaking about that state of eternal bliss. Yesterday they spoke about Samyapati, whatever Krishna is having, the same things even they want. Okay, and now they are in the state where they are going to have the association with Bhagavan. So eternal bliss. So let us look at it. And if you recall in the second Pashuram, Neyyunno, Palunno, Natkale, Niradi, Tayar says. Why? Because starting of the Vrata, they are going to observe certain rules and regulations, not much of luxuries and comfortable items for the body. So now almost the Vrata is completed and they are now supposed to enjoy Sakra Pongal, means what? Krishna himself. So let us look at it. Kudare Vellum Shri Govinda. Kudare, that means people who do not accept the Lord or the supremacy, Bhagavan wins over them. Then what about people who accept his supremacy and surrender? Obviously he will lose to such people, is it not? He always takes pleasure in losing himself for his bhaktas. Unnai, Untannai, Padi, Parai we are singing your praises, your names, the Kirtanam, the Bhajanam, Padi, Parai we are going to get the Parai from you. Now Parai, as we saw, is a musical instrument, it's like a Berivadya. Here particularly refers to the Kainkaryam or the service, the opportunity of service, of being engaged in the association of the Supreme Lord. Yam Perum Shanmanam. Shanmanam. Yesterday, all the list of whatever is required for the Vrata. Now she speaks about the Shanmanam. After that, what we get? Tayar is saying that Nadum, Puhalum, Parisinal, Nandraga, Sudagame, Tolvalaye, Tode, Sevipuve, Padahame, Yendranaya, Palgalanum, Yamani Om. We will be looking so beautiful because we are going to adorn ourselves with all of these ornaments, what has to be worn in the hands, the shoulders, the earrings and the anklets, all of these ornaments, Yendra, that means etc. etc. So Andal Tayar is saying, just because we are asking very limited, it's not that you have to give almost everything what you are having. So she is demanding Krishna. Adai Udupo Adan Pinne. Adai Udupo means Vastra, the clothes. Now what is the order that we usually have by decorating ourselves is, we first wear the Vastram, then only we decorate it with jewels, is it not? But here Tayar is talking about the jewels first and then the Vastram. Why? She is so anxious about getting the Bhagavad Sanidhyam, being in the association of Bhagavan. So due to that anxiety, first ornaments and then this the Vastram. So Bhagavan also gave it off in this order only. First ornaments he gave off, then he gave, because he is always ready to give whatever Tayar is asking. Not only Tayar, all of the Andal Goshti, whoever asks him, surrenders unto him, he is ready to give himself. What more do we want, is it not? So usually when we ask somebody for some help, we could just ask them for a favor, right, in kind or in cash, and tell them, as on a certain date, I'm going to return the favor to you. So nobody is going to be happy when we tell them, I want you, please can you come along with me? I want you only, nothing else. But Bhagavan is the only person, when we go up to him, wanting him alone, he is the very happiest person. So likewise, Tayar is saying, all of the ornaments also, we need Krishna. Adayudupam, beautiful dress. Adan pinne pal sore, we will consume pal sore, rice with milk, sugar covered with ghee, covered by ghee, incense, cooked very nicely, lots of ghee, almost 1:3 proportion. Murangai Varivara. So she says, when we take that prasadam in our hand, the ghee should drip up to the elbow. So this, she is also giving the recipe. Kudi Irindu Kulindelor. See, Kudi Irindu means Tayar is saying all of us will stay together and we are going to be in the association of Bhagavan. Be happy. So one thing we need to understand here, the Sri Vaishnava Sampradayam is always about taking people together. No matter what cultural background people are from, no matter where they are born, irrespective of any kind of the bodily discrimination, our Sampradayam has always been so accommodative of people from all classes, from all sections and each and every background. Because every Jivatma is a property of the Supreme Lord. This is what our Annal Tayar also has to. That is why she says, Kudi irundu kulundelur, everybody, universal brotherhood, Kudi irundu kulundelur. Kulundelur means be happy getting all these things. So, this is nothing. Tayar is making a description about the Jivatma's entry into Paramapadam, Vaikuntha. It's after the karmas have been dissolved by the Jivatma, whether it is the Papa karma or the Punya karma, the body is also discarded, then he crosses the Vrajatirtham and he goes into the Paramapadam, the eternal abode. And when he goes, there are a lot of things that he experiences there, how he is welcomed, what and all he is offered, how he is given almost the same status as Bhagavan in the Paramapadam. That is what Tayar is describing here, because almost end of the November, is it not? The Vratam is almost completed and they have got the Krishna Sanithyam, they have got the Bhagavad association. So likewise, how much Bhagavan is for everybody, and Tayar always insists on this. She did not go alone and pray, or she did not do the November all by herself, right? So she is Bhumi Devi's incarnation. She might have thought to do it and she doesn't need any association, but this is all lesson she wanted to teach us as to how we have to take people along whenever we want to do the Aradhanam of Bhagavan, go to temple or engage ourselves in the service, prepare the prasadam and serve to people. One of the Panchamaha Yajna, the Bhuta Yajna, is one of the yajna that we people have to perform every day. That is, we have to feed the other species of life, maybe birds or pakshis, and whenever we have an atithi, a guest at home, we need to honor them with prasadam. Prasadam is that food which is cooked in a pleasant state of mind, chanting the holy names of the Supreme Lord, offered it to him, and then that remnants of that food what we have offered is called prasadam. So when we distribute prasadam, it is spiritual, in sense it is capable of helping the Jivatma's progress in the spiritual life, shifting the Rajasic and the Tamasic propensities towards the Sattva Guna. Thereby, here also the importance of the Sakra Pongal, this rice and milk, Tayar is saying it will be cooked and everybody is going to have. So always we should have this habit of distributing, which is very important. In this way, how much the Sri Vaishnava food takes everybody into the association of the Acharyas, never to leave away anybody. So likewise, even till today, Bhagavad Ramanujacharya's grace, though he has appeared 1,004 years almost before, till today, so many temples, so many Sri Vaishnava temples, people have been given their respective kainkaryams. Till date, their generations and generations have been performing it. So likewise, in Sri Rangam, there is a particular day in which the footwear is offered to Namperumal. That means there's the cobbler clan, the generation of these people, where they will know only to prepare the make footwear, is it not? What else? So that is their vritti, that is their profession, and that's what they've been doing, that is their job. So even then, this footwear is made and they do offer it to the Lord, because this is what, in this way, they are able to serve the Supreme Lord. So likewise, no matter where anybody is born, how he is, all this is irrelevant. As far as he wants to attain the Supreme Lord, he wants to go in the path of spirituality, everybody is welcome into the Sri Vaishnava fold. Having said that, let us look at this Pashanam again. Let us recite, let us do the Anusandhanam. கூடாரை வெல்லும் சீர் கோவிந்தா உன் தன்னை பாடிப்பறை கொண்டு யாம் பெரும் சன்மானம் நாடு புகழும் பரிசினால் நன்றாக சூடகமே தோல்வளையே தோடே செவிப்பூவே பாடகமே இயன்றனைய பல்கணனும் யாமணிவோம் ஆடை உடுப்போம் அதன் பின்னே பால் சோறு மூடனை பெய்து முழங்கை வழிவார கூடியிருந்து குளிர்ந்தேலோ என்பாவாய். So after the fasting, now Tayar is saying feasting. From second Pashuram, Neyyunnam, Palunnam, now completely feasting along with the association. What is the biggest feast? Krishna himself is the Sakara Disal. Krishna himself is that Sakra Pongal that they are going to feast upon. Let us sing the Mangala Shasnam for Annal Tayar. திருவாடிப்புறத்து ஜகத்துதித்தாள் வாழியே, திருப்பாவை 30 செப்பினாள் வாழியே, பெரியாழ்வார் பெற்றெடுத்த பெண் பிள்ளாய் வாழியே, பெரும்போதூர் மாமுனிக்கு பின்னானாள் வாழியே, 143 உடைத்தாள் வாழியே, உயரங்கற்கை கன்னி உகந்தளித்தாள் வாழியே, மறுவாரும் திருமல்லி வளநாடு வாழியே, வன்புதுவை நகர்போதே மலப்பதங்கள் வாழியே, ஆண்டாள் திருவடிகளே சரணம், உடையவர் திருவடிகளே சரணம், Acharya Jiyar Tiruvadigalé Sharanam Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu.
Hope all are enjoying Adhyatma Sudha, the spiritual nectar. Priya Bandhu, be generous. Subscribe, like and share to enlighten. Dhanyavad.